to your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Herbert Igwe's father allegedly sues granddaughter over inheritance dispute. Lagos Speaker Miranda denies resignation rumor. Price of spaghetti, flour has dropped. Reduce your price, Nigerian government tells traders. Now the news in detail. The father of late billionaire and former group CEO of Access Holding PLC, Herbert Igwe, has allegedly sued his 26-year-old granddaughter, Ututochi, over an inheritance dispute. Recall that in 2024, reports emerged online alleging Shingo's Igwe's family planned to disinherit his late son's children through modification to his will. However, the family vehemently debunked the reports. In a new development, a court summons has surfaced online, revealing Shingo Igwe suing his granddaughter. The court summons stated that the dispute revolves the administration of Herbert Igwe's estate. The court summons identified the suit's number ID 773-FMP 2024 was scheduled for Lagos State Judicial Division and reinforced by a court order on November 18, 2024. Meanwhile, this has sparked reactions online, with Nigerians sharing varied thoughts and opinions. In other news, the Speaker of Lagos State House of Assembly, Mojisola Miranda, has denied rumors suggesting she has resigned. Miranda's Chief Press Secretary, Segun Ajiboye, debunked the rumor on Wednesday. "I'm in office. The Speaker is in the office. I don't know where that is coming from," Ajiboye disclosed. An online report suggested on Wednesday that the Speaker had resigned. A circular dated February 17, 2025, allegedly released by Miranda, has also been trending for 2 days, with the content claiming she had resigned. However, checks on the letter circulating on social media showed it wasn't resigned by anyone. It's worth noting that the Lagos Assembly had been rocked with leadership crisis since the former Speaker, Mudashiru Obasa, was removed by the majority of the lawmakers at the House. And lastly, for tonight, traders in Nigeria have been asked to reduce food prices across the nation. According to the federal government, traders should stop exploiting consumers following January's drop in the inflation rate to 24.48%. According to NAN, the Minister of Agriculture and Natural Resources, Abubakar Kyari, stated this on Tuesday during the 2025 Wheat Farmers Grain Feed Day at Dabi Village in Rigim local government area of Jigawa State. He decried the nonchalant attitude of retailers in reflecting the reduction in their sales despite the drop in prices, describing it as unpatriotic and unacceptable. The federal government is aware of the significant drop in the prices of food items across major markets, particularly for essential commodities such as flour, sugar, rice, and pasta. However, it is deeply concerning that many retailers, bakers, and shop owners have refused to reflect this reduction in their selling prices, thereby denying Nigerians the relief they deserve. In previous months, stakeholders in the retail value chain raised concerns about the rising cost of food items. Now that the prices have dropped, such as flour, which fell from 81,000 naira per bag to below 60,000 naira, and spaghetti, which has fallen from 20,000 naira to 15,000 naira. It is only fair and just to let consumers benefit from food price reduction, Kyari said. And that ends the news tonight. We'll continue to supply you more trending news stories. You can as well drop your opinion in the comment box section about tonight's news story. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.